So guys, if you're being family shared on Steam with some games and it says for you purchase, the reason why is because that game developer has opted out of family sharing for that game, probably due to money reasons. They see it as more profitable for them to not family share that game. They want you to buy a separate copy. Now the adults can check the games that they shared to see if the developer has opted out or not. To do that, in the top left of Steam, you want to click on Steam and then click on settings. Now once we're here, you want to go to family and then click on manage your Steam family. Now you want to go to the library tab. It's now going to be showing your included games. These are the ones that can be family shared. If you scroll down, it's going to be saying excluded games. So these are the ones that the developer has opted out for. So I cannot family share these games. However, these ones I can in the included game section. You could also search up online if that game has been opted out for family sharing or not. Other than that, there is nothing else you can do simply because the developer of the game has opted out of that game being family shared. So there's nothing that you can do.